What the heck?
Don't move. You can see this taking an hour. Come on.
Drink more than an hour.
Dad wants to go out.
Can you like something there?
Yeah, go on. Just get it water. And it's done then.
Yeah, it's done.
Go on, just get it water, it's done. Right deep. Go on. Go on. Hello. Go on. That's it, all the way. Walk quickly, walk quickly. Go on. Yeah, it will, go on. That's it, done.
You're lucky, Mum.
Nearly there now. Get off the handrail. Now go further away from the car.
Water. Not fair. Me wanna go.
Can't believe it, it's lovely and warm now.
Me wanna go in water. Me not afraid. Me going in. Me not afraid. No. I wish our mum happened to do this. I'd love it.
No, I'm not. I've got to pass your auto at car, haven't I?
Yay! Oh, I want to walk my sim. I walked at current water. I don't care.
Yay, she's doing it. Cheer.
Yay! Thank God for that. Thank God for that. Thought that we're going to take them over and now we're there. 100 minutes. Get it up. Now this is proper exciting. I don't need this kid over. I can't say I can walk on them. I'm glad I'm here at this stage. At this stage though, it's just fun because we get a... I'm going to walk with once. Probably like a paddling pool, but even better. Probably muddier. But that is the other thing. Get right over here first.
No.
It's drowning. I'm gonna have to go water. I can't slide that far.